In today's environment, success depends on more than individual assets. It depends on how well entire operations are connected and controlled.
That's where Enterprise Asset Management, EAM, comes in. With capabilities like asset performance management, enterprise-wide maintenance visibility, capital asset planning and lifecycle costing, resource and workforce optimization, and integrated supply chain and logistics management.
In aviation, that's enterprise fleet management across global operations. At sea, it's visibility across entire fleets. On land, it's coordinating assets across distributed environments. And in commercial sectors, it's aligning assets, people, and processes for efficiency and scale.
With next-level solutions from IFS, organizations gain a unified view of their operations, connecting data, decisions, and execution across the enterprise.
Because managing assets isn't the goal. Optimizing how they perform together is.